Hi, everybody. I'm Joel Simmons for another 2-Minute Turf Talk. I recently had the great pleasure of visiting Costa Rica for the first time and spent a lot of time hiking through the jungles of Costa Rica. And one of the things you notice when you hike through jungles like this is you see an awful lot of biodiversity, certainly a lot of biodiversity above ground. But we knew that the biodiversity below ground was also equally fascinating. Take a look at this picture of a termite nest sitting high in a tree, and then you can see what they do is they come and walk across some of these paths in what we call the termite tunnels. It's amazing how ingenious these little insects are. So those of you who are fighting insects understand what Mother Nature really does. So these guys live in here, and then they start to build little tunnels across these pathways and have a little super highway of termites. It's ingenious, it's brilliant. These insects have brain power far beyond mine on many days, but it's fascinating seeing these everywhere we go here in the rainforest in Costa Rica. But what was really fascinating was the fungi, and this was a little clip of me finding some mushrooms on a log. Take a look at the fungi that we found here on our hike. If you haven't seen the film Fabulous Fungi, I encourage you to watch it. It's a Netflix series. It's very, very beautiful photography, but it talks about this kind of fungi, and then it goes into the mycorrhiza interpretation of what the forest is doing. And these trees can communicate with each other from literally miles away through the underground network that we know as the mycorrhiza highway, or the internet of microbiology. But this fungi is really indicative of what happens in a rainforest like this. And if you watch that film, they actually go a step further and talk about how humankind early on would devour these fungi and it would start to expand their mind. But this is what you see in an environment like this, because biology is so incredibly strong and so incredibly diverse, and it's absolutely fascinating.